Assalamualaikum, my name is Aliyah Zati Husna and my matric number is 2022469876 and I'm from RCS 1101C.
My name is Nur Shahidatul Shazia binti Shariful Nizam, matrix number 2022677164 and I'm from RCS 1101C.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Azizafia binti Amir. My matrix number is 2022842842 and I'm from RCS 1101C.
First of all, for our project summary, in our project, we are planning on solving the problems that happen around us. One of the problems is how to buy cinema tickets more easily. We make a solution of this problem by upgrade from buying at a cinema counter or kiosk to doing an online system where user can buy tickets anytime. They also can access this ticketing system from anywhere and it can minimize the number of staff at the ticket box. Other than that, this program helps users to save their time because they don't have to queue up or waiting for so long to buy a ticket. Besides, using this website, users still can add meal if they want and choose their seat. Also, they will know the details of the price.
The major objective of our online ticket ordering system is to give customer another option for purchasing movie tickets. It operates automatically. The primary goal of this system is to give customer comprehensive information of the film while also giving the system more flexibility. The goals of our system are: first, to provide a anytime anywhere service for the customer. Second, to minimize the number of staff at the ticket box. Third, help user to save their time. And lastly, provide many facilities such as user can add meal and choose their own seat.
Next is analysis of the project. First, the input for this project is choose movie, choose time, and pick seat. Next, the process is add meal and total pay. The output for this project is the total pay.
This is the procedure code on how to book seat in the cinema. So we use function. Start with the seat booking, print how many seats that user want to book, and then we use for loop inside of the function so we can repeat the seats number that user wish to book as they can refer to the array, and then display the seats you choose, and lastly display the total seat that user book, and display output print seat booking. This is the procedure code for food. We also use function start with movie meal, calculate food and display output. For movie meal, declare menu and purchase. It already lists down the menu code and purchase, so user need to enter a code menu that they like to purchase. Then display the total of food purchase is RM based on the user pick. Now return. For calculate food, we use while loop inside of the function. Initialize first the total equal to 0, counter equal to 0. Print, do you like to add some more? If answer yes, it will repeat the list of the menu and user can enter the code menu again. Last with the total plus equal to purchase. Display total of your food purchase is RM, the total. Return. Display output, print movie meal, print calculate food and return.
Now let's start with pseudocode. First we start the pseudocode and we declare code, choice, price or time, and then we set ans is y. The first one we do the repetition, which is we use do y, and then we prompt do we want to start the system. If the ans is yes, it will display show times, buy tickets, exit. We will display enter your choice, get choice. If choice equals to 1, it will prompt movie number, movie, show time available and price. And it will prompt do you want to continue booking a ticket and get ans. Next is if the choice is 2, it will show the movie. It will display all the movies and then get the code. If code equals to 1, the price will be 23, all is 1. Else if code is 2, price is 18, all is 2. Else if code equals to 3, price is 22, all is 3. Else if code equals to 4, price is 21, hall is 4, else if code equals to 5, price will be 20, hall is 5, else it will print not invalid. Thus it will display the user ticket price and hall.
Next, we prompt the time for users select their own time and then we get the time. If time equal to 1, we display your show time is 12 p.m, else is 8 p.m, and then an if, and display invalid time. The name function we also use is seat booking, movie meal, cal food, which is calculate food, then we declare pay and total all. Next, we prompt proceed to pay. If yes, the program will display the total, else will display please submit it again, and if. And then we will prompt the cinema receipt that include all the input from user, else the program will display hope to see you again, thank you, and if. While answer equal to Y, it will display hope to see you again, and while and.
Now, let's start with source code. First, we declare the string for book seat, string row 1, string row 2, and string row 3. We start with the function of seat booking, int num and int s. In this function, we declare int book is num, and then we say out enter the seat number you wish to book, and then we say in with the string that we declare in the book, which is book seat, and then we say out seats you choose, and then we do for loop int s equals to 0, s less than num, s plus plus, and then we say out string book seat for, which is the string row. For the next function is int movie me, int me. In this function we say out enter a menu that you like to purchase, and then we say in me. If me is equals to 1, it will return 12, else if me equals to 2, it will return 6, else if me equals to 3, it will return 4, else it will return 2. Next is function int calculate food, int pr, int t. In this function, t is the total while pr is the price. So the total will be total plus price equals to total, and it will return total. Next, we start with the main function. First, we declare char ans meal and meal, int ans underscore time total code price all, int total all food menu number seat choice. Next one, we declare string pay movie. First, we start with do loop, and then we see out the movie ticket booking system, and then we say out with do you want to start the system, see in ans. If ans equals to y, it will say out show time by tickets and exit, and then we say out enter your choice, see in choice. If choice is equal to 1, it will say out movie show times, or it will display movie show times, and it will ask the user do you want to continue your booking ticket, see in ans. If ans equals to no, it will display hope to see you again and return 0. So if ans is y, it will loop the system back, the program from the first part, which is movie ticket booking system, and asking the same question until the user input the next choice. Else if user input choice 2, it will display all the movies and tell the user to insert the code of the movie and see in code. If code is 1, the price will be 33, hall will be 1, else if code is 2, price is 18, hall is 2, else if code equals to 3, price is 32, hall is 3, else if code equals to 4, price is 21 and hall is 4, else if code equals to 5, price is 20, hall is 5, else then it will say out not valid and it will return 0. After they choose the code, it we will set out the ticket price and the hall to the user.
So here is the coding for time. First of all, we see out the time available for user know which time user can choose and select the time either in 12 PM or 8 PM. If user choose 1, it will display your show time is 12 PM, and if user choose 2, it will display your show time is 8 PM. Other than that, it will display invalid time.
For seat, declare number seat. See out the arrangement of seats based on the array. Use for loop for the arrangement. See out how many seats do you want to book. Use for loop again. For enters the seat number you wish to book based on the how many seats. See out the seats that you choose. Last, see out the total seat that you book is based on the total how many seats that user book. For food, declare the INT menu total equal to 0, counter equal to 0, and purchase. String answer equal to yes for while loop. See out, would you like to add meal y/n? If y, see out the list of the menu. See out, user enter a code meal that you like to purchase, and then the list of the menu and food purchase. Use the control structure selection. Then see out, do you like to add some more? If yes, it will repeat the list of the menu. Then calculate the total equal to calculate food purchase total based on the function counter ++. Lastly, display total of your food purchase is RM total. If no, then see out, sure, let's proceed to pay.
Lastly, this is the source code about pay. We see out proceed to pay and user will answer either yes or no. If yes, the program will calculate all the total, which is price times number plus total plus 2 for tax, and then it will display the cinema receipt that include the movie, hall, seat number, time, price of ticket, total food purchase, tax, and total all price, which is everything that user input in the program, and it will return 0. Else, the program will display hope to see you again, thank you, and then return 0. Else, the program will just display hope to see you again.